Okay, let's talk about idle resources, specifically Kinesis data streams. As usual, making the fix will be easy. So first, what is an idle Kinesis data stream? So it's idle when it has no traffic, despite running regularly and still incurring the hourly charge. So you can check in AWS, in Kinesis service, then data stream section. If you click on one of them and then monitoring, here, you can check the diagrams, and if it says no data available for a long time, it means it's idle. You can also check it from billing. So in the bills, if you click on Kinesis and your region, and if you only have one line, it means you are only being charged by the hour, so no traffic. To find them all, the only way is to use Athena by creating the curve. And to fix it, it's simple. You just have to delete it. So you click on your data stream and you click action and then delete.